What if you could turn any ordinary TV into a powerful 4K smart streaming machine in seconds? Today on Smart Home Hub, we're taking a look at the Mortal TV Stick Q8, a compact streaming device powered by the RK3518 quad-core processor, running Android 14 and featuring Wi-Fi 6 and voice control. In this video, we'll unbox it, install it step by step, and test its performance to see if this tiny device can really upgrade your home entertainment. Let's get started. First, let's check out what's inside the box. Inside the package, you'll find the Mortal TV Stick Q8, a voice remote control, HDMI extension cable, USB power cable, IR extension cable, and the user manual. The TV stick itself is compact and lightweight, similar in size to a typical streaming stick, making it easy to plug directly into your TV. Despite its small size, it packs some impressive hardware inside. Looking at the design, the Mortal TV Stick features a minimal and portable design, perfect for travel or small entertainment setups. It includes HDMI connection for direct TV output, USB Type-C power input, support for IR extension receiver. There are also ventilation openings to help keep the device cool during long streaming sessions. Now, let's install the Mortal TV Stick. Step 1. Connect the TV stick to your TV's HDMI port. If space is limited, you can use the HDMI extension cable included in the box. Step 2. Connect the IR extension cable and place the receiver at the front of your TV so the remote can easily communicate with the device. Step 3. Power the TV stick using the USB Type-C cable. You can plug it into your TV's USB port or use a 5V power adapter. Once powered on, simply follow the on-screen setup instructions to connect to Wi-Fi and start using the device. And that's it, your smart streaming system is ready. Inside the Mortal TV Stick Q8 is the RK3518 quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor, paired with the Mali 450 MP2 GPU. This hardware combination delivers smooth menu navigation, stable video playback, and reliable app performance. The device includes 2 GB RAM and 16 GB eMMC storage, which is enough for installing popular streaming apps, media players, and utilities. One of the highlights of this device is the Android 14 operating system. This means you can install a wide range of apps, including video streaming apps, music apps, media players, games, and utilities. The interface is simple, responsive, and easy to navigate, making it suitable even for beginners. The Mortal TV Stick supports 4K Ultra HD video decoding at 60 frames per second. Combined with HDR10 support, this results in sharper images, better contrast, and more vibrant colors. So whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or viewing videos, the picture quality looks clear and immersive. Connectivity is another strong feature. The device supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Wi-Fi 6 technology for faster streaming, and Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting wireless devices. This means you can easily pair Bluetooth headphones, speakers, or game controllers. The included voice remote control adds a smart layer of convenience. By pressing the voice button, you can activate Google Assistant and control the TV using voice commands. For example, you can search for movies, open apps, control playback, or ask questions. It's a simple way to navigate content without typing. The Mortal TV Stick also supports multi-screen sharing, allowing you to mirror content from your phone to your TV. This makes it easy to watch videos on the big screen, share photos with family, play mobile games on your TV. With access to thousands of streaming apps, the entertainment options are almost endless. Pros: compact and portable design, Android 14 operating system, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, 4K video support with HDR10, voice remote with Google Assistant, and easy installation. Cons: 2 GB RAM may limit heavy multitasking. Internal storage is moderate for large app libraries. Overall, the Mortal TV Stick Q8 is a compact and capable streaming device that can quickly transform your TV into a smart entertainment hub. With Android 14, Wi-Fi 6, voice control, and 4K playback, it offers great features for streaming movies, watching YouTube, and accessing online apps. If you're looking for an affordable and portable TV streaming solution, the Mortal TV Stick is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest smart home gadgets and tech reviews here on Smart Home Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.